Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to turn off Google Assistant on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on Google and click on all services. After click on all services, scroll down and click on search assistant and voice. Click on Google Assistant. After click on Google Assistant, scroll down and click on general and click on this option if you want to turn off Google Assistant. So make sure turn off this button. After turn off this button, Google Assistant is turned off. After turn off this button, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.